Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass.
Hey everyone, it's Shauna here. I'm a one-star diamond coach, and I'm super excited to tell you guys a little bit more about getting ready for your Monday start. I'm in the car actually with my girls. Say hi. And I just wanted to let you know my plans to help myself be successful for next week. And maybe you guys can take some of these tips and apply them before you guys get started on Monday with our 5-day clean eating group. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to print out that list that I posted in the file section. And if you haven't seen it, make sure you take a quick look at it. And a little bit later on today, I'm going to be posting all the meals for the rest of the next week. That way you have time to go to the grocery store, meal prep, and get yourself situated. So anyways, my best tip I can give you is to purchase all the items that you need that you don't already have before Sunday, or at least on Sunday. Sunday night, take 1 hour of your day and get ready for the week. I know if you're not used to meal prepping and preparing for meals, I'm going to tell you right now, this is going to be the successful, the only way to be successful. So keep that in mind. People often say that your diet is like 80% of everything that you need to do to help yourself get healthy and strong. Nope, guys, it's 100%. So if you want to see the best success, if you want to have the best results after these 5 days, I'm going to tell you now, prepare. Look at the menus. Go ahead and get yourself situated. Now, on the meals, it says you can have Shakeology. If you don't have Shakeology, that's okay. Contact the coach that put you in this group. See if they have any extra packets you can purchase. And if not, that's all right. Go ahead and look at the substitutions you can do for the Shakeology. I drink it every day. It keeps me feeling full of energy, and it helps me just curb cravings, you know, and that's the hardest part for me, is curbing those cravings. So anyways, if there's something on that meal plan that you cannot eat, allergic to, or just plain don't like, talk to your coach or talk to me and let me know what it is, and we'll make substitutions. Anyways, those are my best tips I can give you guys. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Let us know, comment below on what day you're going to be purchasing your food, what day you're prepping, and that'll help give us all ideas on things that we could do to prepare for next week. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you guys. And if you haven't had time to read the file section, go ahead and make sure you do it today. Good luck. Reach out to us and we'll talk with you soon. Bye.